In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you're organizing a project and need to get rid of an old or unused timeline, the process is very simple once you know where to look. Deleting timelines can help keep your project clean, especially if you've created multiple versions, test edits, or duplicate sequences that you no longer need. Just make sure you're removing the correct one because this is something you'll want to double-check before confirming. To begin, go to your media pool. This is the area where your project assets are stored, including clips, bins, and timelines. If you have a larger project, take a moment to visually scan through the media pool so you can find the exact timeline you want to remove. It's a good idea to read the timeline name carefully, especially if several timelines have similar names. Once you've located the timeline, click on it so it's selected. Then right-click on that same timeline to open the context menu. This menu gives you several options related to that item, and the one you're looking for is the option to remove the timeline. Click Remove Timeline. After that, DaVinci Resolve will ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletion, so pause for a second and make sure you've chosen the correct timeline. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm, and that's it. The timeline will be removed from your project. A quick tip before you do this: if there's any chance you might need that timeline later, consider duplicating or backing up your project beforehand. That way you can clean things up without worrying about losing an edit you may want to revisit. This is especially helpful if you're working on different versions of the same video. So again, the process is straightforward. Open the media pool, find the timeline you want to delete, right-click it, choose Remove Timeline, and then confirm. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast part of project cleanup. That's all you need to know to delete a timeline in DaVinci Resolve.